Hi everyone, I'll show you how to do hard reset on your LG G8, as you can see right here. So all you have to do, just hold the volume down and then power button at the same time, and then once you see the LG logo, you need to release power button for a few seconds and then press again. So make sure the phone is completely off, hold the volume down on the left side and then press power, and then once you see the LG logo, release and press again and keep holding. Okay, here it is. You're into hard reset, factory data reset, same thing. So using volume keys to go up and down, and then scroll down, press power to select, and then once you're ready to do it, press yes. And once you click yes, it's gonna take a little bit of time to reset phone completely. You can see it's doing factory data reset. It's gonna take a little bit of time to start, so it's gonna be extra time, not as usual, because it just did factory restore. So I'll have to install a bunch of apps, all this stuff. Thanks for watching, and then if you like this video, please like and subscribe down below, and bye bye.